Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today I have another little video for you of my latest haul, which is the Gucci Psychedelic haul. I have a little shoulder bag here that I want to show you, plus I have nice slip-on sneakers which are in here. So this is how they came packed. This is the shoebox. It's a standard shoebox with the Psychedelic logo. And the bag came with its own little box with a dust bag. I'll show you that just a little bit later. I'll start with the shoes because they are bigger, so we get this out of the way. So let me open. So this is the top cover. And inside you are greeted with a very nice dust bag and the shoes itself. Tissue paper. This is the duster, 1, 2. So individual for each shoe. Very beautiful dust bags in the psychedelic print. Yes, okay, this collection is now a year old, but late and still great. So, without further ado, let me show you the shoes. They are your classic Gucci slip-on sneakers, but with a twist. Obviously, they have the Psychedelic logo on them. They are full leather. I'll do just one shoe because obviously they are identical. As you can see inside, they are full leather with Gucci, made in Italy, imprinted inside of the shoe. These are size 11 UK, which is my size. And as soon as I got the bag and I realized that these shoes were available in the same store, I got the shoes also because they're just very, very beautiful, in my honest opinion. There. Now let's go to the bag. So here is the bag, the Gucci Psychedelic shoulder bag. It's a bag with a bit of a twist, and I'll tell you why, and you'll see in a minute. Of course, it also comes in a very nice box, which is pink inside, as is the shoe box and a dust bag. I asked my SA to double dust bag this, and she did so. Let's look at this little bag. As you can probably already see, this is a very small bag, and what can I say? I'm a big dude, therefore I like small things, I guess. So let me reveal to you my Gucci Psychedelic shoulder bag. Ta-da! This bag is more of a novelty, but obviously it is fully functional, but it is more of a novelty. And I say this for the simple reason of that you cannot put a lot into this bag, and I'll show you this in a second. It has a top opening, but it also has one front pocket here, which is very small, which cannot house a lot of things, and I'll show you this in a second. But for the size comparison, this is a full-fledged Louis Vuitton zippy organizer wallet, yeah, the large one, yeah, in damier graphite. And as you can see, this wallet is taller than this bag basically. When it comes to width, it's pretty much the same, but obviously the bag is a bit wider. But nevertheless, this is just for the idea of how small this really is. Now, for the inside, when I unzip the top, I'll take out the stuffing paper, which I usually have in all of my bags just to keep the shape a little better. Inside is just the quality control sticker. There is no organization because, let's face it, this bag is so small, you don't need another pocket inside of this. There. It's completely one big hole, I mean big, inside of here, which zips on the top like this. The zipper is quite smooth, which is usually not the case with the Gucci bags. The LV zippers are much smoother, but this one I find to be reasonably smooth, guys. Now, as I said, there is one small pocket in front of this bag. I'll zip it. Inside here are the quality control papers and my invoice. Let me take that out. And here, you can use this to put in, I would say, a set of AirPods, or let me try this is the Apple magnetic, how it's called, wallet or something like that. It's the size of a card holder, as you can see. This will fit inside here, but that's pretty much it. Don't expect to put much more in here. So even from the side, it's gonna be much harder. I'll just put it like this if I wouldn't have it on the back of my phone, and zip it. So this would fit in the front pocket, but that's about it. Pair of AirPods or small key clay, if you have something like that, potentially would fit in here, but not much more. As I said, this is more of a novelty item at the end of the day, but it is so damn cute. When I saw it, as I said, I need to have it. It does come with a strap, which is fully adjustable, so you can make the size. I didn't still use it, so obviously it's not set for me. I'm a pretty quite chunky guy, but still, when I set it, I try to play around with the settings, so it will fall to a reasonable length for me. So let me put now this inside here. But it's more of a chest bag, to be honest. It's not a side bag, but more of a chest bag due to its size. There. Let me see if I can try to, on the fly, make it a tad bigger. Yeah, okay, so if you want to make it bigger, here is the pull tab. This is how you do it. Excuse my clumsy hands. And I didn't plan to do this on camera, guys, but yeah, there is still some adjustment, so there is still an ability to make this a tad longer, but don't expect this to be a super functional piece. This is more of a, novelty item. Personally, I love it. Just the way how it's small, it's so cute, and I will plan to wear it. I'll actually wear it tomorrow, the first day. It's so beautiful. Look at it. So this is from the Gucci 2020, I think it was, Psychedelic collection. So I got the shoulder bag. I call it more of a chest bag than a shoulder bag, to be completely honest with you. But hey, nevertheless, you buy this for just the amount how cute it is, to be completely honest. Don't expect this to be a bag that is gonna be hugely practical. Honestly, in the main compartment here, you could put a pair of sunglasses, I would say for sure. Larger phone, normal phone, it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone Max or a smaller one's gonna fit in here. Plus a medium-sized wallet, if you use that. Nowadays, I usually just use my phone for paying with Apple Pay, and I carry my ID on the back of the phone using the magnetic wallet. So I don't need a lot of, I would use this compartment probably for my keys and maybe some other small item, but nothing too big. Anyway, this is the Gucci Psychedelic shoulder bag. If you have any questions about this little bag, do let me know, guys, and I'll be sure to answer. Thank you very much for checking another video from me. I appreciate it. I hope you are doing well, and I wish you a beautiful weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you and God bless. Bye.